In this problem, we'll factor a polynomial. We'll factor the polynomial 80 minus 5x to the fourth. To factor this, we factor out a common factor, and the common factor is, first of all, 5. We first of all check for a common factor, and there is one. It's 5. 5 times 16 is 80, minus, and then 5 times x to the fourth would be 5x to the fourth. Now that I've factored out a common factor, I check to see what's inside the parentheses, if that can be factored. Inside the parentheses, I have a binomial, and it is a difference of squares. I can see that by writing 16 as 4 squared and x to the fourth as x squared squared. So I factor as 4 plus x squared times 4 minus x squared. Now I need to check each of these binomials to see if they can be factored further. 4 plus x squared is the sum of squares. I cannot factor that any further. 4 minus x squared is another difference of squares. I can see that by writing it as 2 squared minus x squared. So now I can factor this as, and I'm going to copy down all of my other factors. 2 squared minus x squared is 2 plus x times 2 minus x. Now I check each of the binomials and see that none of them at this point can be factored further, so I have factored completely.